How to change video speed on Instagram Reels. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change speed on Instagram Reels videos, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Instagram app on my phone. Then when I'm on my Instagram app, then I'm going to click on this plus symbol. And now I need to click where it says Reel. So when I'm in here, then I will simply need to click right here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of speed options to choose from right here. For example, 2x the speed, 3x speed, and so on. So just choose the video speed that you want. And then you can click here to start recording. You can also do this on an existing video by clicking here and then choosing speed. So as you can see, my video really speeds up now when I choose the 2x speed. So this is basically how to change the video speed on Instagram Reels. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.